Hey, my name is Patricia. I am one of the estheticians at S&D, and today I would like to share with you how to use our new Bright CE Serum. Our new Bright Serum has a dropper, but first of all, what you need to do is do a little bit of shake. Shake, shake, shake. Great, after shaking the bottle a couple times, you will have your hands clean, and I recommend to start with less. I personally use about 5 to 6 drops. It has a really calming lavender smell, and I would like to massage it and just apply it on my forehead, on my cheeks, nose, chin, and why not on the neck. Massage it until the skin fully absorbs it. Of course, the serum needs to be applied after a cleanser. If you have any product left, I like to use it on my hands. Why not? I recommend them to let it sit for a little bit, at least for a couple seconds. Your skin will absorb it. I would like to share with you why I like the Bright CE Serum. The reason why I like to use it is because it's a great collagen support. It's a great anti-aging. It will help you with any fine lines, any wrinkles, any discoloration, and of course, it has a great antioxidant system, which will help you to fight with any free radicals. After you let it sit for a little bit until your skin full absorb it, I recommend you can go ahead and apply your favorite moisturizer, makeup, and always remember to use your SPF.